So today we're going to draw a diagram for the formation of headlands and bays. So we're going to start our diagram, when you're ready, with a few sentences at the top above your diagram. So here they are, different rates of erosion, as we looked at last lesson, the four processes of erosion along the coast: hydraulic action, abrasion, attrition and solution. Different rates of erosion of rocks along the coast produce an uneven coastline. So this is the basic idea associated with headlands and bays. So our diagram is going to help us to understand this. This will take place in 3 stages. So the first stage, stage 1, this is the shape of the coastline. This blue arrow represents waves coming into the coast. And it's very important that our diagram represents in some way rocks of different resistance. So here we have hard rock. So this is a more resistant rock, something like an igneous rock, maybe a metamorphic rock as well. Granite is a common igneous rock found on the British coastline. Here in this section running along the coast is our softer rock. So this more commonly along the British Isles would be something like a sedimentary rock, a sandstone for example. So this is stage 1. We have waves coming in, hitting the coastline with equal force. But as we see by stage 2, we begin to see a change in shape of the coastline. We continue to mark out the different layers of hard and soft rock. But the only label that we add here is to the centre section, greater erosion. So, as we'd expect, the softer rock is eroded more rapidly. The coastline begins to change shape. We then also begin to see some deposition of material at this stage. The third and final stage, we can see that the shape of the coastline is further exaggerated to create this shape. Let's keep our rock types separated here. And we can then see quite clearly the formation of headland here, and in the middle section the bay. We also have deposition, a great deal of deposition within the bay that forms our beach. And this is a common shape for coastlines around Britain. You may have found yourself on a headland looking out to sea with the waves crashing around you, and I'm sure more commonly you find yourself on a beach where you can see the circular bay around you and headlands to either side. So that's headlands and bays.